God must help us when we are dealing with this issue of dominion mandate. In as much Christ is interested to see us dominating, but Christ is not so much interested about dominion, much more than the one who dominates. Before we talk about dominion, we must talk about the people in whom we are trying to preach dominion to. What type of people are we preaching to? We can never preach to someone who doesn't carry the image and the likeness of God and the blessing of God, because these are characters of God. These are characteristics which qualifies men for dominion. We can never just rise and say the church must infiltrate the 7 mountains. No. Okay, let me show you the danger of this thing. If we are going to empower people for dominion without first of all empowering them, without first of all allowing them to go through the process of empowerment, which gives them the image, which establishes them in the image of God and establishes them in the likeness of God, we will have people who are in the seats of power. We will have people who are in the seats of government